In preparation for the 6th Meghalaya Games 2025, set to take place in Jowai and Viajar, the Meghalaya Weightlifting Association (MWA) is teaming up with the District Sports Officer (DSO) of West Jaintia Hills to host the 2nd Meghalaya State Weightlifting Championship for men and women. President Donald Rimbai recently announced that the tournament will be held on October 26th at the Dorbar Shnang Tepep Palais. The goal of this competition is to highlight the talent and strength of the youth in Jaintia Hills, preparing them for the Meghalaya Games 2025.
Bispo kan salong ini state championship kabar po joy haning idon lang badi isar po iso sports iban ya trailang badngi ni kerpat sabab pinyawan khnang kham tam ne ke area jeng joy ma ngne mencimenta kin sadan po garo po west garo bad na po shillong na po ribhoy de klampep ba ngin expect bakin gun na po joy mencimenta ya kane nama kalang ne kalong kajing sedang po joy ka de gaset banung tong tam debat kane kalong kum kajing lagi nginyo di player na po joy bahkan cimenta haka Meghalaya game ke banlong apa joy kadang ko haban peni kane boleh ngiwara kane state championship apa joy kan long kum kawe kejing peni bukan kejing lakai ba kum no peni lakai weightlifting apa ke Meghalaya game.
And now let's have